Okay, today we're gonna work on a 2008 Honda Accord B6. It has a motor kicking, transmission kicking. So the customer is saying that they replaced the whole motor mounts and transmission mounts, and you can see it right here. My finger, very brand new. And the problem is still there. So we figured it out. The axles, they're really bad. So you can see it right here. Let me flash on. There we go. You're gonna see the axle. You could turn it, and it takes a while. It takes a while to engage on the transmission. You can see it, and that's the kicking. That's the sound. Do you hear it? And that's on both axles. So when you put it on park, it takes a while to engage. So we're gonna replace that, and hopefully we resolve this problem with this car. And also the bracket from the axle is broken. I don't know if you can see it right there that it moves. So we're gonna take them out. We're gonna get a new ones, and we come back.